We are required to take informed decisions on these matters that will have long-term consequences for the stability and the defense of the democratic values of our region. I count on you, Excellencies, to help proffer durable solutions to the crisis. And I'm confident that, as in the past, we will rise to the occasion.
The junta in Guinea, led by Mamadi Doumbouya, a former member of the French Foreign Legion, is holding consultations with various public figures, groups and business leaders in the country to map a framework for a transitional government.
Between the head of the junta and representatives of the mining industry lasted about 2 hours. During the talks, Colonel Mamadi Doumbouya called on representatives of mining companies to build factories in Guinea and process bauxite locally instead of exporting it.
We discussed the difficulties we face on the mining sites, the challenges and opportunities in the mining sector that the Guinean people expect following discussions with the CNRD. The CNRD officials have reassured us a lot, and we are proud of this. It must be said that this coup d'etat is a first in Guinea, after which we have continued our activities. We are living reassured by the new Guinean authorities.
Yeah, this is going to have a huge impact on the aluminium market because this country is the biggest exporter of bauxite.